Imagine combining the image quality of the DJI Mini 4 Pro with the versatile design of the DJI Neo with the same advantages and adding a few extra features on top. Stop imagining, because this is exactly what DJI has achieved with the DJI Flip and reinventing what is possible in a sub 250 gram package. And you know what? It's quite a bit cheaper than the Mini 4 Pro. This drone combines the best from both worlds with a unique design that unfolds by flipping out the propeller guards while keeping the weight under 250 grams. 249 exactly, to keep it C0 compliant, making it a little bit easier on the rules. And the shielded propellers allow you to fly safely near people. The Flip adopts the camera from the Mini 4 Pro, known for its strong low light capabilities. This makes it an excellent tool for indoor real estaters that needs indoor shots, or as a vlogging companion in various scenarios. For standard video, DJI Flip can record 4K up to 60 FPS. In HDR, utilizing dual native ISO values of 100 and 400. And for those seeking some slow motion action, 4K at 100 FPS is available, but that's without the HDR. The frame rate will be reduced to 30 FPS while tracking. The drone also supports 10-bit D-Log-M for professional grade colors, and it offers a 48 megapixel photo mode for capturing incredible details in well-lit environments. Both RAW and JPEG are available, as well as AEB for some increased dynamic range. The camera gimbal setup is protected by a plastic cover. It shoots vertical video up to 2.7K resolution, although 4K isn't supported due to cropping. The DJI Flip does not require a remote for its basic operations. Like the DJI Neo, you can select pre-programmed flight modes directly on the drone. You can scroll through the different modes using the button on the side to select
Droney, Circle, Rocket, Spotlight, Follow,
and 2 follow modes, one trailing behind
Direction Track,
and one keeping the Flip locked in front of you using the advanced AI algorithm that we saw introduced with the DJI Neo. Long pressing the button and make sure not to put your fingers inside the prop guards. It will launch and execute the flight mode you select, but only if you hold it still with the camera facing you. You can expand the controls by using your smartphone and the DJI Fly app, which allows you to fly in a virtual joystick mode while recording audio with your smartphone. DJI has integrated AI to remove the propeller noise.
Sådan der.
Så lad os få ryddet noget sne. Making the audio recordings clean and somehow usable. Flip also supports the use of DJI Mic 2 as well as voice commands. The range is limited by the Wi-Fi connection of our phones, but you can extend it quite a lot by using the DJI RC2. This unlocks the O4 video transmission, providing you with the same reliable range and features as the Mini 4 Pro. A fully encased propeller guard is now an integral part of the design. The propeller guard's perimeter is now directly connected to the body of the drone and cannot be removed, making it really safe to fly near people. You still need to pay attention while operating the drone, as the gaps are wide enough so you can still get your fingers inside the guards and hurt yourself. The Flip includes a 3D infrared sensing system, which works well in low light, so it will stop if it faces an obstacle, but it will not be able to maneuver around it or being able to avoid obstacles sideways. Obstacle avoidance is right now limited to return to home, as well as the normal P-flight modes according to the provided specifications. Drone noise. The DJI Flip fits somewhere in between the DJI Neo and the Mini 4 Pro. Let me show you. Mini 4 Pro noise level. DJI Flip noise level. As you can hear, it makes more noise than the Mini 4 Pro, but the sound is not nearly as aggressive as we saw with the DJI Neo.
Funny squeaking noise coming out of it. I don't know what that is.
I'm not sure what that is about, or if this is specific to the unit that I have tested, or if it's even an issue at all. But it was different, so I thought it was worth mentioning. With an internal storage of 1.9 GB, you will definitely need a SD card for your recordings. I will recommend 128 GB with a U3 rating. This will give you at least 110 minutes of recordings of the highest bit rating of 150 megabit per second. Charging hub can hold up to 4 batteries charging in parallel. Where 3 batteries are included in the Fly More combo, where you are getting the traditional bag, including all the accessories, like we're used to. The Flip offers 31 minutes of flight time on paper. And it seems to perform pretty well, though flight times is always shorter in real life. So now you're probably wondering, what do I need to pay to get my hands on this? And here are the prices that I have been informed. And there's of course purchase links in the description below. But as this unit was sent to me for a review, I will encourage you to seek information from various sources before you decide to buy. But I will not hold it against you if you decide to use my links that are listed in the description below. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.